Portable DJ booths matter for mobile entertainers who need a clean, professional stage presence without sacrificing quick setup and transport. These facades serve multiple purposes: hide cables, display branding, project visuals, and create a stable work surface for controllers and laptops. In this review, I tested and compared 5 popular options across a price range of roughly $103.99 to $151.99 to evaluate build quality, size.
List number 1. Access-Able's Portable DJ Facade Booth with Black. The ES01 from Aliexpress Accessibles is a compact, road-ready 40-inch by 20-inch facade table designed for quick deployment and clean cable management. It uses a steel alloy frame with Velcro-attached scrims in black and white, enabling both traditional looks and projection-ready backdrops. The unit includes cases for scrims and a dedicated DJ bag for the 40-inch table, with a standing desk height around 37 inches. Its fast open-close mechanism and rubber-footed feet help it stay stable even on uneven floors, which is critical for mobile gigs. In use, the ES01 shines as a modular work surface capable of housing a DJ controller, laptop, and mixer while concealing cables behind front scrims. The wire mesh tabletop and cable slots, 3 slots, promote organization, reducing clutter on cramped setups. The included two-tone scrims offer design versatility. White scrims can project lighting or gobos, while black scrims preserve a classic, understated aesthetic. However, with a weight of 41.1 pounds, transport and load-in require some effort, and the absence of an integrated carrying bag for the entire frame, beyond the included DJ bag for the table, means tasks like setup and tight venues demand planning.
List number 2. Portable DJ Booth Facade Stand Foldable DJ Table with 38.5 inches by 19-inch surface. Mora Hope's portable DJ booth stands out with a 38.5 by 19-inch surface and a foldable 4-panel design built on zinc alloy steel for rust resistance and durability. It supports up to 200 pounds, which is ample for most DJ setups, and includes 4 black-white gauze panels with Velcro for quick style changes. The unit folds flat and comes with a carry bag for transport, plus a water-resistant bag to protect gear in variable weather conditions. In practice, the Mora Hope booth prioritizes ease of transport and quick assembly, ideal for events with frequent load-ins. The gauze panels not only hide cables, but also enable projected lighting effects on the scrim, enhancing stage presence. A notable constraint is the unit's overall footprint, 39 by 20 by 47 inches when assembled, which may constrain setups in smaller venues. Weight is light enough for a single operator to maneuver, albeit the 47-inch height requires clearance in some environments.
List number 3. Accessibility's DJ Booth XL 58-inch wide by 29-inch deep DJ Facade Table. Portable extra-wide DJ table. The AXA Accessibility's DJ Booth XL expands the footprint to 58-inch wide, 29-inch deep, and 52-inch tall, delivering a substantial work surface for larger rigs or multi-monitor setups. The frame is aluminum and remains lighter than older ES01 iterations, with Lycra scrims that cinch quickly to the frame. 2-slot cable management and a robust 36-inch standing desk height support ergonomic operation for long sets. In use, the XL version provides ample space for bigger controllers and laptops, and its extended width can improve stage presence for mobile gigs. The chassis is designed for simplified deployment with quick open mechanics and includes a carrying bag and scrim cases. The main trade-offs are the increased size and weight, approximately 53 to 55 pounds depending on configuration, and slightly higher price relative to smaller options.
List number 4. Stritch DJ Booth Table Station. Stritch's DJ Booth Table Station presents a sturdy 44 by 20-inch mesh tabletop with an anti-rust iron frame and a 90-pound load capacity. It includes removable triangular panels for additional stability or desk configuration and 2 sets of black and white scrims adaptable via Velcro. The complete setup is designed to be assembled in about 10 minutes and stored with a carrying bag for portability. The design targets club and event use, where a sleek, professional aesthetic plus robust hardware matters. Performers who prioritize durability and modularity will appreciate the dual-layer design, which enables better space utilization and easier wiring management through the countertop. The 7.9-inch rise provides comfortable access without obstructing sightlines for performers and audiences. However, some users may find the 44-inch width limiting for very large setups, and the panel system adds complexity versus simpler foldable frames.
List number 5. DJ Facade Booth. Amufon's DJ Facade Booth emphasizes portability and versatility, featuring a foldable 4-panel, detachable metal frame with white and black lycra scrims, and a compact folded footprint of 21 inches by 47.7 inches and 17.64 pound weight. The setup promises tool-free assembly, quick scrim swapping, and a carry bag for easy transport. The design is particularly well suited to mobile DJs who need fast turnaround and a lightweight solution that still projects visual depth on stage. In practice, Amufon's system excels in environments where quick load in, out, and transport efficiency are paramount, such as weddings or birthday parties. The lycra scrims hold up well to repeated washing, and color projection is feasible on the white scrim by projecting lighting effects. A potential drawback is the absence of heavier-duty frame options for very demanding rigs, and the maximum load should be validated against the specific gear you carry, given its lighter frame relative to metal-heavy competitors.